In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install WinRAR on your PC. Now WinRAR is really useful as it's a packaging tool, so when you get a folder, you can keep all of them in the WinRAR, and almost everyone uses WinRAR. So first what you want to do is go to Google, search for WinRAR, just like this, and go to here. Now it uses as the file archiver, and that's how basically you can use it. Once you're on here, you want to press download WinRAR, press download again, and then it's going to load up here. Now from in here, you're going to open it, press yes, install, then it's going to install. Press OK, and done. Now you basically have WinRAR. So now what you're going to do is you're going to come to your background. You can right click, new, and WinRAR. Now when you download new files such as folders, it will be a WinRAR file up here. You can change that in your Google settings. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.